Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to allow or block cookies in Arc browser on Windows 11 PC. By default, third-party cookies remains blocked only in incognito window in Arc browser. In case you want, you can block or allow third-party cookies in a normal window while browsing the internet. It is possible to do that, first open Arc browser on your Windows 11 PC. After that, click on this one Arc icon that says settings. Then select this one settings option. After that, click on this one default under profiles section. Now click on this one up arrow button beside advanced search settings. After that, select privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find third party cookies option. Click on it. Here you can choose this one option, allow third-party cookies. This will allow third-party cookies in incognito as well as normal window. In case you want to block third-party cookies in incognito as well as normal window, you need to select this one option, block third-party cookies. By default, this one option will be selected, block third-party cookies in incognito mode. That means Arc browser only block third-party cookies in incognito window by default. That's all about this video. Bye.